Supporting over 100,000 devices in the field is a huge logistical challenge, but it's one that Apogee has invested heavily in to build the infrastructure. The journey begins at our Lincoln Operations Centre. Equipment is specified, configured and built to the exact requirements of each client. The equipment is tested on the network. We set the IP address and any other form of network settings that are required before it's fully tested. That equipment's then labelled and it's packaged ready to be delivered by our distribution fleet. We minimise the volume and the sheer weight of what we're delivering to reduce the environmental impact, and those devices are delivered through our fleets to our client sites. Once it's delivered and powered up, each device immediately begins reporting back to our Maidstone Operations Centre. From there we can track the usage of the device, we check that it's on the network, we can see the level of toner available, and we can see meter readings, we can see the amount of usage of each device. This allows us to track the remaining toner and the likely time by which it will run out. We initiate a delivery of a replacement toner 7 days prior to that, so that each client receives the toner ready to install in their machine before they run out. To do that requires over 50,000 deliveries of toner every month. And this is just an example of the sort of proactive management that we run at Apogee to keep our clients up and running.